Interested in making an additional $2,000 to $5,000 per room on your e-design projects? If you're interested to learn how, stay tuned. Hey you guys, it's Yannette LeBrun back with another video. Welcome to the Interior Design Business College. Today I wanted to share with you how with your e-design projects you can make an additional $2,000 to $5,000 per room, specifying trade vendors, trade only vendors. The reason why I wanted to talk about this is because a lot of designers, they are including e-design services, virtual interior design services to their business, and some may even choose to design virtually for all their service. But that comes with some challenges because a lot of them are seeing, that they are not able to make their business as profitable because they are limited to specifying the retail vendors, which sometimes there might be some sort of affiliate opportunities, but the commissions are very small and sometimes none at all. How can a designer successfully offer virtual services but still make the commissions that they're used to making in full service design? So this is why I wanted to share with you how that can be possible. A lot of designers, they like the virtual model because it allows them to not have to get into the purchasing portion of the business and install portion, which really could be daunting and a lot of responsibility that not all designers want to undertake. And for me personally, I came from the commercial design industry where we didn't really get into the purchasing and installation portion besides the project management. So we would take the project from design to completion with the specs and things like that, but the specs would be then turned over to a purchasing agent. Because I came from a hotel design background, it was like a larger quantities and things like that. So it was essential to have the purchasing company where that's what they did. And we worked closely with them and answering questions, and they double checked, our work and things like that and made sure quantities were correct. But they handled all the purchasing and coordination with the installation and all that. And so that for me, that part of the business was not appealing for me because I never had to do it and I didn't really want to do it. But as I got into residential, I do find there are clients that want the whole full service, which is good. But for me at the moment, that's not a service that I am offering because I just want to do the virtual portion of the residential design. And at the moment, I'm not offering install services and things like that. I was, racking my brain wondering how can I still make the commissions that I'm entitled to because I am recommending these vendors for these projects. So, but fortunately, I was able to discover companies that are they have all the collections or a majority of the collections of the trade vendors, and you're able to specify your products for these projects through them, and they take on the purchasing portion of it. So the client could still receive their shopping list, but they are purchasing through that company where they would fulfill that order and it would be drop shipped to that person's home. And also, from there, they can also choose the option for white glove delivery so that they can have the item placed into the specific room and then they'll take the packaging and everything from them. And so working with this company, you can also choose to purchase yourself if that is your model, but it still helps because they kind of have many vendors there, so you don't have to jump around getting pricing from all these different places, but it allows you to source from one place and you still can have it purchased and delivered to your warehouse and take it from there. So I personally use a company that does this, and it's really helped my e-design business. So I'm able to source from the trade vendors, and they have several of them. And so, like what I did before I went to High Point Market, in the last show, I went through the vendors that I wanted to see through their platform, just so that I can, get a better look at the ones that I use the most often. And so when I was at High Point, I got to look at some of the vendors there, and so I knew that their platform has them as well, as I was able to see them also in High Point. So, which was amazing. And so, yeah, I really would recommend it because now it helps you to have your business model be more profitable, even as a virtual interior design business. And they even have a feature where you can create your own collections and make them public. So, like if you want to create a shop the look, or mood boards for like social media and things that are shoppable with the links, you can actually propose the trade vendors that they can shop from. And so I found that to be useful. So I have my own curated collection as part of my shop that they can shop from for different, styles of furniture in the different categories. And also my shop the looks, so I'll have like a look of the month, and then they can shop from there with the items, and it connects them straight to that platform, and they can shop directly from that. And they fulfill the order from there. So this video isn't sponsored, so I am not sharing the resource at the moment. If you join our community in the link below, the Interior Design Business College, I'll be more than happy to share the platform with you that I use. And I think there are others as well, but so far I'm familiar with the platform that I use to specify the trade vendors. But I'm happy to share that with you in our community. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you find it helpful, because e-design is staying, and it's a wonderful business model if you are not wanting to get into the full service design with install and all that comes with it. And so, yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification button to get alerted when I post another video. And I hope to see you next time. Take care. Bye.